I will show you how to assemble this. I will show you how to assemble this. Take this off, lift this like this. Put this ring inside. So there are two sides, one with the plain side and there is no plain side here. So the plain side has to go inside. After you put this inside, click this and then just rotate to tighten it. You can set the position and whatever position you decide, you can just fix it. And then there's this bolt here to adjust the angle and tighten it once you decide. And there's a vacuum here. So pull this up, put this on the dashboard on the glass and press it down. So this will get stuck. Loosen this, pull this. And if you have a MagSafe phone, this will stick here. You can adjust the position however you want. And there is this power supply inside. This cable, one side of the cable will go here, other side of the cable, so there's a charger inside the box. Other side will go here in the orange port. So there's an orange port and the black port. So other side goes here. Plug this into your car and put this on the dashboard and just simply snap your phone, it will start charging. So there are two rings given inside. If you are using a non-MagSafe phone or the older versions of iPhone, you can put this ring inside your cover or peel this sticker and stick it on the phone and then it will get stuck there. It's very simple. Yeah, that is it.